Hari Om Sai Ram. Hope you all are hale and hearty and taking good care of your health. I am connecting today with you all from south of Bharat, which is a place known to globally it is known to everyone, Chennai, a very pious place in Tamil Nadu, India, Bharat. I have come to a temple which is a very, very ancient temple of Shiva and Parvati. So this is the entrance, the east entrance. There are two entrances of this temple. 7th century temple, Dravidian time, and as we enter the temple, we first go to Ganpati, and we are not supposed to go inside the temples. That's why I'll just take you around. And here, this is the Kudam, Annadanam, where people come and donate for food, and it is made afternoon time, evening time, and distributed even in the festival times. We came in from here. We are going to Annadana. Here they prepare
afternoon food feeding.
This is
Afternoon, you say like that. In the afternoon we feed for 150 people.
150 people.
Yes.
Every day.
Every day.
Afternoon lunch.
Afternoon.
Okay, rice then?
Rice, sambar, 2 rice,
Okay.
sambar.
Oh, lovely. Yeah, sambar. The famous sambar. This is rasam?
Yes, yes.
Okay, rasam.
If you want, you can eat in the afternoon. Vegetable.
Vegetable.
Yes.
Okay. What is that, sir?
This is also vegetable, beetroot.
Beetroot vegetable. Okay.
Beetroot
Okay.
curry.
Okay. 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 And this is
It's
the.
a cooker.
What's your good name, sir?
Gopalakrishnan.
Gopalakrishnan. You are the head cook.
Yes. I am Ramesh.
Ramesh. Okay. Ramesh ji, you were there in Tirunelveli before.
Tirunamalai.
How many
My
years?
native is Tirunamalai.
Oh.
I born there.
Okay. Okay. And you worked in the temple also?
I didn't work there,
Okay.
but I go for marriage functions like that.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Now I am working here.
Okay.
For last 6 years.
Kartik Deepam is coming shortly.
Tirunamalai.
In Tirunamalai, Kartik Deepam is coming shortly. It's a big festival there.
Yes, yes, yes.
On the hilltop, that light.
Yes, yes, yes.
I have attended by the grace of Shiva and Ma Parvati. That is one of the Panchabhut,
Yeah, yes.
Tirunamalai.
Out of elements, that's
5 elements, that is one element.
Yes, yes.
So you serve in this banana leaves.
Banana leaf.
Okay.
And that one is security.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
His name is Shakti.
Shakti. Okay. Okay. So every day fresh food is made.
Yes, yes. All fresh vegetables.
Yeah.
Comes from market.
Yeah. So Annadanam, we can anybody can come and they can donate, and from that
You can
every day.
donate in the office. That office is
Yeah.
3,000 something.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I'll come and
Yeah,
meet
you come and see me.
Yeah, sure. I'm coming. So this is the place where every day lunch for about 150 people is made and fed. So these are the chariots. What Mr. Arunachalal was explaining us. Such chariots will go around the area, this Mylapore, the 4 streets they will take around the temple in the festival time. So these are the chariots, and once I had the privilege of attending that procession and carrying the cart on my shoulder. This is Palani Swami. We can't enter the temples. We are not supposed to enter the temple. And actually, this is a video just for apprising everybody. This is YLR Nayanar Swami. Here also some havnas and pujas are done. And now we come to the main Shivan temple. Again, we are just moving around and not entering the temple. This is called Gopuram, and this will be there in every South India temple, even in North India many temples. And this Gopuram I will explain. This is the main temple of Shiva. This is the main temple of Shiva. This is Nandiji, and this is the main temple of Shiva. People take blessings in front of the Gopuram after going around the whole temple. This is the main Shivan temple inside. And this is Ma Parvati temple, Amman. Amman temple is on the left side of Shivan. This is the Amman temple. So inside the Shivan temple we have Dakshinamurti, which is Guru Brahaspati Bhagwan. In all temples of Navagraha at Kumbakodam or anywhere in Tamil Nadu, there will be Navagraha in a separate, and people go around. In each and every South Indian temple, we will have Navagrahas for sure. And as we go around the temple, this is the east entrance where we came in from, and this is the west entrance. There are 2 entrances to this temple. This is the west side of the temple. Astonishing how they, in those years, no cranes, how they made these temples in ancient times. We don't have words for that and answers for that, without any machines, etc. So this is the Gaushala. Every morning, the main priest at 5:30 a.m. the Gaushala puja will be done. Again, Shivan. This is the Gaushala. Gaushala. So here every day people come and feed. And The milk also is used in the Abhishekam. They will feed fresh grass. I'm not showing the face, but ma'am is feeding. So I am allowed to take picture of Navagrahas. Om Brahma Brahari Tripurantari Bhanu Shashi Bhumifto Buddhasya Gurusya Darshan Shanti Kara. This is a chariot where they take around Lord Shiva and Ma Parvati during festival time, March and end of March and April. This is the temple. I am with Mr. Arunachalam, who will talk more in detail about this temple. And then I will go around the temple. I have been here since morning, early morning, and have had all darshans and pujas. I've got prasadam, these leaves of Shiva and Ma Parvati. So I'll now speak to Mr. Arunachalam, who has been, you all hear from him about this temple, and
You can take global also.
yeah, I will take. What's your good name, sir?
Arunachalam.
And tell me something about this temple.
About this temple.
Please come little. Please come here, little, so that some. Yeah.
First, the temple was situated at Santam beach, near Samudram. Near Samudram. Then, in due course, due to floods and other natural calamities, this temple was shifted from Santam beach, Samudra Kinare ke ne yahan. Okay. This is
Samudra Kinare.
Samudra Kinare se yahan. Due to floods, the temple was shifted here.
Okay.
By naturally, somebody took effort and they took the temple here. First, they formed a little temple here, and it is about 1,600 years ago.
1,600
years ago. 1,600 years. Why this temple is called Mylapore? Because when Shiva was doing puja,
I'll just interrupt. Sorry, sir. This place in Chennai is called Mylapore.
Mylapore. Why this Mylapore is came na? Why this place is called Mylapore na? When Shiva was doing puja, Lord Shiva. At that time, Parvati Devi was seeing some other else without attending the Shiva's puja.
Okay.
He got angry.
Okay.
So he cursed Parvati Devi when I am doing the puja, you are not attending. What is some other work that you are doing except that my husband, I am doing puja daily. You are attending somewhere else. Why don't you divert your attention fully this puja and other things? You are seeing some other else. So he got very angry. Parvati Devi requested several times, please forget me, that my attention was diverted because of some peacock. Peacock. Why Parvati Devi attention was diverted? Peacock was dancing.
Okay.
At the dancing, she saw the peacock dancing without attending the Shiva's puja. He cursed that you should become a peacock. Oh, he cursed. Lord Shiva cursed Parvati that you should become a peacock. And even being a peacock, Parvati Devi plucked the flowers through the nose, and she was doing the puja of Lord Shiva. Daily you used to pray the Lord Shiva, that again I should become a Parvati and I have to do my duties to you without regularly. Please excuse me that my attention was diverted not because of any other thing, because of peacock. What is the please give me Shapa Vimocham that I should again become a Parvati Devi and I have to do the service for you daily.
Okay.
Hereafter I will not divert my attention to any other else. Whenever you are doing puja throughout your life, that I will not divert my attention. I will devote full special attention when you are doing puja. That Parvati Devi assured Lord Shiva. Then Lord Shiva gave her Papa Vimocham. Again she became Parvati Devi, and for continuously she was doing puja to Lord Shiva, and she was attending to the duties of Shiva, and as a devoted wife she had done a lot of duties, personal duties and official duties and spiritual duties to Lord Shiva without diverting any other change. Because she was seeing the peacock dancing to the tune of somebody else, she became Kika. Then she became Parvati Devi. So that peacock means Mail. So that
In Tamil it is called
in Tamil Mail. So that this place was called Mailapur.
Oh,
So
that's why
that's
this
why
place is
they
called
placed
Mylapore.
Mailapur. In Mailapur there are so many Shivan temples here. Sarveswar Kovil and other things, Vallisham Kovil, Balishwar Kovil and other things. But all among the temples, this famous is temples because it has been praised by Alvars and Nayanmars and other things. There are 63 Nayanmars in this temple. Inside the temple there are 63 statues.
63 statues?
60 statues of Nayanmars. All the Nayanmars were doing puja about the Lord and they were praising. And
All the 9 planets.
Are 63 Nayanmars. Nayanmars means priests. Nine priests. They completely 63 priests completely devoted their attention only for doing puja of Lord Shiva, not any other god. And they got punya and vimocham and other things. Here, here the temple in Panguni, that is at the end of March or beginning of the April, there is a called a festival, Panguni festival. Panguni festival.
How do you spell the word, sir?
Panguni.
Okay.
Panguni festival.
Panguni festival. In the month of?
In the month of, at the end of March or April.
End of March or April? Every year?
Every year.
Okay.
One minute. Balaji Mama, 1 minute. டெல்லியிலேருந்து வந்திருக்காரு இந்த கோயிலை பற்றி சொன்னாங்க 1600 பின்னாடி ஒருத்தர் தாங்க.
So there is a senior priest who has come in and Arunachalamji is talking to him. Sorry for this interruption. Yeah.
The festival is being conducted at the end of March or beginning of the April.
Fine.
This is called 10 days festival. Each and every day, today morning and evening, Swami is being, Lord Shiva is being decorated along with 5 Swamis. 5 means first Vignesh. And then Subramanya. And then Ambal, Karpangambal, and then Lord Shiva, and last is Chandikeshwar. Chandikeshwar is that he is attendance god, because if you go and see the Chandikeshwar, that means that you have seen the Lord Shiva.
How do you spell the word?
Chandikeshwar, Chandis, Chandikeshwara, KESW. Attendance god means that I mean simply I am telling you to understand. If you will report to Chandikeshwara, in turn he will report to Lord Shiva that a person has attended, that you give punyam to that and other things.
Right.
The Chandikeshwar. Lord, 5 days, 10 days during the Panguni festival, all the 5 gods, Vigneshwara, Lord Shiva, Subramanya, Ambal and Chandikeshwar. 5 gods will come through to 4 streets in Mailapur. 4 streets in Mailapur, twice, morning and evening.
In the chariot?
In the chariot, or they will take the carriage
on the shoulder.
On the shoulder and other things.
And they will take around?
4 streets.
4 streets
of
Mailapur.
Okay. 9th day is called Car Festival. Car Festival. Car
is like chariot.
Chariot. 9th day they will take the Lord chariot. 10th, next day called Aruti Moor.
Okay.
Aruti Moor means 63 gods. 63 9 marks that I will tell you,
Right.
the processional deities.
Right.
It is here called inner deities there are. There are also processional deities being made in Tamaram.
Okay.
63 gods. The 63 gods, they will take around 4 streets or the next day of a car festival.
Okay.
They will
Okay.
take the
They will
procession.
take the
That,
procession.
that Aruti Mover is famous because from all the parts of cities, people will be coming and attending here.
Oh, so lakhs of people will come.
Lakhs, more than lakhs.
Oh,
more than lakhs of people. And for lakhs of people, the poor, for people here, rich people will feed the food, drink and other things, everything. And 63 days over, Aruti Mover is over. The next day is called the 10th day.
Yeah.
They will perform marriage for Lord Shiva and Karpama each and every way.
Karpagambal is Mount Parvati.
Karpagambal Dev Parvati. Shivan means Mahadev. In north it is called Mahadev. Here in south it is called Subramanya, called Murugan in Tamil Subramanya. Anga north it will call Murugan
Shiva, Shivji.
some other
Yeah,
name.
yeah,
And here on the next day on a car festival, the 10th or 11th day, they will perform marriage for
Ma Parvati
Karpagambal
and,
and Parvati. Here this temple, it is called decorated with this gold mandapa. In between, I will tell you, at the time of Navaratri, here the Gol mandapam, lot of dolls will be here and they will decorate. Lord Shiva and Parvati will be here. Each and every day there is a special alankaram for this, decoration for this alankaram. And Parvati Devi next day at the time of festival 10th or 11th day, they will perform the marriage. Lord Shiva. Marriage also there will be a huge crowd here. Each
Very
and every
auspicious.
here, each and every year it is being performed without any break. Even at the time of Corona, it was being performed without any crowd, and it was performed during.
Now only the temple is reopened.
Now always the temple is open. At the time of
For the
Corona, people will not be allowed, and pujas will be performed
Performing all the
daily.
time,
The puja is being performed at the Agama Sastra. Agama Sastra, Hindus tradition, the oldest Sastra.
Yeah.
And all the
How do you spell the word?
Agama, Agama,
Okay.
Agama Sastra. It is performed according to only Agama Sastra. So many educated Pandits here. Educate Pandits. Even there are so many PhDs in Sanskrit, they are performing here.
Right.
Only it is being performed according to Agama Sastra. And there are so many, we will tell in Tamil, Gurukul, G-U-R-U-K-K-L,
Gurukul.
in Shivacharya. Shivacharya. Even people are coming or not, even Corona or floods or heavy rain, pujas will be performed without any disruption. And 5 times puja. Arikala puja, morning, afternoon, evening, and after sometimes evening and midnight. It is being started by morning, opened at 5:30. At the time of opening of this temple, Go Puja. Cow puja, he is being performed by same Gurukul and other things. Go Puja. And after performing the Go Puja, they will open the temple and they will be doing some rituals, pujas and other things, 6 a.m. and 6 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., according to that time. But without any disruption, they will adopt the time strictly, they will perform the ritual puja and other things. People are having country. Because of people like this, we are able to survive in the world. We are able to survive. And also for information, in America, so many things would have been invented, TV, radio, aeroplane and other things. But only in India, human beings have seen the God. seen the morning. Ramana Maharishi has seen the God,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
that
Tirunelveli.
so that some light is coming on the day of Jabba, and people are
Kartik Deepam.
and when Ramakrishna performed daily pujas and other things, he is not able to see the God. One day he prayed to the Kali that when I am doing the puja, I am not able to see you in person. Please appear to me. When he said, otherwise I will break my hand. When he told that I will break my hand, Lord came before the Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, so that Ramakrishna Paramahamsa became very famous in India. And Ramakrishna's chief Shishan is Vivekananda.
Yeah.
He went to America and he told brothers and sisters and other things. When other things, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa and Ramana Maharishi, and also one Tyaga Brahmam at Tiruviyar. Tiruviyar is Tiruviyar, Thiruvaiyur. Tiruviyar is located 13 kilometers from Tanjore. There one Tyaga Brahman, Telugu Brahmin. He was very attached to Lord Rama. He written so many times Rama. He wrote 2,000 to 3,000 crores of Lord Rama. Rama appeared before him. When he gave plantain in before the God, the plantain was missed because of the Ujjwa. And so many musicians used to come to Tiruviyar to pay homage to Tyagaraja. Another important attempt at Tiruviyar about Tanjore district, Tiruviyar, because Tiruviyar is famous for the Lord Tyagaraja Utsavam. So many participants of musicians will come from according every world. John Higgins from America used to sing very often about the Tyagaraja. Once Nagaratama, a lady who was Dasi by caste. Dasi means she never used to marry and she will used to dance to the gods and other things. She came to Tiruviyar and she came all the properties to Tyagaraja. Because of her effort, Tyagaraja Samadhi was built up in large scale. And she adopted a girl. Because she has no girl, she adopted a girl. That girl, she want to see the property from Nagaratama by killing her. Lord Rama came in dream to Nagaratama, your daughter will give a poison tomorrow, don't eat that poison. Lord Rama came to the Dasi caste Nagaratama, so that without eating the poisonous milk, she put up the glass here. Then a cat came here and drank the milk. That cat died. She is able to understand by poison, giving her poison, she wants to seize all the property. That day itself, she separated her daughter and gave some property, and she has never go to court and jail and other property for police complaint and other things. She was very calm. And when 1953 she expired, 1951 or 53 Nagaratama expired, and she adopted another girl, Vanni Boy. She used to sing in Tiruviyar at the time of Aradhana and other things. This is famous in India. This is Tyagaraja, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Ramana Maharishi and other things. All have seen the God only in India. So that India is for spiritual light. Now the Modi is reviving everything, Hindu spiritual and other things. I am a staunch supporter of BJP. That I don't want to.
We won't talk about any
politics here. He want to revive the Hindu spiritual and other things that I don't want to go in politics line. Because we are talking about the spiritual life, politics is God. Unnecessary. Here, and I have already told you several times. You ask a supplementary.
How long you've been coming here, sir?
I am coming here.
And tell me something about you.
I am a retired state government official.
Okay.
I am getting a pension
from
of Tamil Nadu. I am getting a pension of rupees 25 to 30,000. My wife was working in senior section supervisor in BSNL, central government undertaking. She is getting a pension of 32,000 rupees. I am having 2 kids. one other son is a double PhD from Carnegie Mellon University,
Very
US,
good, very
and he is taking class at Haha Guru, a famous place. His name used to come in every Saturday, the best teachers in India. He is taking, and
So he has
now
studied
he is at Madras.
He's from IIT Chennai.
IIT Chennai. He got 132nd rank
Very good.
before 22 years
Excellent,
ago.
excellent.
He used to get 90 to 95% in all the
For
subjects.
a pious person, parents like you,
Ravi Shankar, Dr. Ravi Shankar.
children will definitely shine up, sir.
Yes.
And he's serving now in India.
Now he is here in the next seat itself.
Yeah. So I would like to come in here.
His second son is Suresh. He is working as senior executive at Bangalore. He is also IITian.
IIT.
He is working in computer line, working with two kids, two
So it is excellent,
granddaughters.
sir. So much of deep study, and then studying abroad, working abroad, and then coming back to serve people in India, in our own country, Bharat.
And also, I have stayed in America for 6 months, but I'm not interested in America. I have seen Singapore and America. Singapore is more better than America, and I don't want to.
We can't compare anything in world
than India.
than our own country and places
And
like these.
my son Akani, he is Akani, besides working as a tutor in taking class, Aha Guru, through the online class, he was working as
He's a medical doctor.
A PhD doctor.
PhD doctor.
And he was doing social work, AID, Association for the Indian Development. He has done all the works throughout the villages. He has done all the books and other things to poor people. He is so crazy about money and other things. First I was worried, without doing any great job in company, he is doing such a social work. I got dejected. My friends told me, this is the fate of that boy, that you live according to
Sir, he is blessed by
by
Lord
the
and
Lord, and that you should not worry about these things. He is doing social work. You are not able to do. He is able to, let him do. And he is now aged 46. I am aged 77.
So you have been coming here every day, sir?
Every day, morning and evening. Morning 9 o'clock. I used to come by 6 o'clock. Now, because of my health, I am coming by 9 o'clock. Evening 6 o'clock.
Every day?
Every day.
Since how many
by
years?
walk, 2 kilometers.
No, since how many years?
Since 16 years, I used to come every day. Before 16 years, I used to come every evening.
Evening.
Morning, because I have to go to office. So that I am not able to attend properly. Now
Sir, blessed to meet you and know about this really ancient and pious temple. The aura of the temple cannot be explained, sir. Once I entered, and I have been coming here since
and
many
also,
years.
you are able to see large temples at Kumbakonam.
Kumbakonam
near 30. There is a lot of temples. That is the temple city called Kumbakonam. And
city.
Also, once in 12 years, Mahamaham is going to perform. I have seen 5 Mahamahams.
I attended that, sir.
I have attended
I
5.
was privileged to have that. And I keep going to Kumbakonam, and I'll be meeting, going to many temples in future and at the various places, including Kumbakonam, which is Rudram Chamakam.
Rudram Chamakam. I will tell you short in Rudram, short version, up to Namaste, now 10 lines. Can I start?
Yeah, please.
Om Namo Bhagavate Ruddhaya Namaste Ruddhamanyauto Taishave Namaha Namaste Attudanmane Bahubhyam Mudhe Namaha Yadeshu Sivatama Shivam Babuva Jedurga Shiva Savyaya Javadya Dodramriya Yate Ruddha Shiva Durga Gora Babagasini Dayanatan Vatandamaya Gijandavsagajege Yam Shangadasa Satatave Shivam Gijamayim Vipursan Jagate Shivenavada Chagijata Udamate Adana Samana Asate Adyavosa Yuktat Bhagamo Daitya Bhishake Agim Sarvan Yamyani Hatu Danya Asavya Tamno Mangala Yes Magum Dora Yume Asavya Sarpadini Lagi Vologa Uzainam Vishwa Bhutan Chetomriadinaga Namo Tunila Givai Chaya Mishe Aloya Tunam Debyanamaga Prabunja Danvati Hati Homjam या सदहस्तेर्व पराचा भगवा भव अवदस्य सदुषे निशे चल्या नामुगा सुनो भव विजंतनु कबजिनो चल्यो मानवाहुमुदय अनेसंगं गिरि यादे हेतुर्मि दृष्टमात्ये बभुव देदनग दयास्मान विषय परिपूजय नमस्ते अत्वा युधानाय दृष्टवे भाभ्यां मुदे नमो भागभ्यां तदने परिधोनानि चित्तक अदोरित्वारे अस्पनिनेगिरम् ओम नमस्ते अत्व भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यंबकाय त्रिपुरांतकाय दिगाग्निकालाय गालाग्नि रुद्राय नीलकंठाय मृत्युंजय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः. Yes. There are 11 stanzas. If I will chant fully, that it will take a lot.
These are 11 stanzas.
Some also 11 thumbs up. That I'm not because that I have to go again. I do Gayatri Jabam. I have to do Madhya and something that I never used.
Thanks
to take,
for your.
That I never used to take any tiffin before coming to temple. Only I used to take only after Gayatri Jabam and Madhya and other thing. Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you, sir.
That I will
And
give you,
I'm
that I will
much
give
younger
you
to you.
That I will give you also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
परिपूर्ण राज्य मनशांति देखा सकल सौभाग्य से चित दीर्घायुष्मान भवत्.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, I
And
will leave.
thanks a lot. Sitting in this temple related to Lord Shiva and Ma Parvati, people who have, I'll just in short give few couple of remedies. People who have problems in their businesses or jobs, careers or health issues. Saturday early morning, get 2 leaves of Peepalji tree, Arsamaram in Tamil. This is the Peepalji tree leaf. And these leaves should not be plucked out. These should not be plucked out. The fallen green leaves of Peepalji. After washing with water and little Ganga Jal, write on it with your right hand ring finger, making a first paste of little turmeric haldi, yellow turmeric powder, and little kumkum with little Ganga Jal or clean water. Making this paste, write Shri on the leaf of Peepalji. Now out of these 2 leaves, offer one on Shivling and the other chanting Gayatri Mantra for 21 times or more, whichever is possible. That leaf, keep it in your puja locker after touching on Shivling. Repeat this after every 3 months, but on any Saturday only. Saturday morning, early morning would be the best time for this. Please inform me the betterment felt. Please comment on this when you feel things have changed by doing this. The old leaves which get collected in your locker, you can put it in some flowing water or bury in under any plant or tree or grass. Next, on Thursday morning in Brahma Muhurat, after freshening up, leave home to collect Peepalji 13 leaves which have already been fallen naturally. Please don't pluck leaves of Peepalji, only the green fallen leaves. Collect them, write Shri Ram on all with haldi roli mixed paste. 1 leaf offer on Shivling in the name of your ancestors, Pitras, whose blessings we are all here and moving ahead in life because of their blessings. 1 leaf offer on Shivling in the name of ancestors. 11 leaves offer one by one, asking Shama Prathna, forgiveness for whatever past and present mistakes unknowingly have been done by us or by our family. And the 13th leaf offer that on Shivling and ask for your one manokamna, your one wish. definitely you will see miraculous results. Repeat for 7 or 11 Thursdays. It's a excellent remedy, and these are all done by many people, and then only I'm putting this on this video. Another thing not related to this, but very importantly, the weekday which you are born on, like any child, or you are born on a Monday, for example. So take care of not eating any non-veg, drinking, cutting nails or hair on that day. Just avoid all this on the day of your weekday of your birth. Just try doing this, just follow this, and you will find changes positively. And kindly comment on your betterment, so that it gives me also a push, and it will, whoever is hearing this or watching the video, or this would spread more through you. So just had a chance to be here and thought of making a video. Please take care of you, your health, your family, your surroundings. Please take care. Corona has not yet gone. I'm also moving very cautiously, and when it is important only. So kindly take care. Coming at least 2-3 months, we have to be very vigilant about this, and taking care of all the government norms. Please take care of yourself. We'll connect you with you all shortly. Hari Om Sai Ram.